Oh my gosh, the Cardano ecosystem, despite, these past few months, past 6 months being not very good, kind of trash, basically, we've actually seen a level of consistency other chains could hope to see in terms of development, in terms of growth. We're continuing to take these steps forward. And now there are some things that may in fact be catalysts for ADA price. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. We're going to dive into this in this video. And if you are new or have not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Again, guys, this is free. There's no cost to hitting that subscribe button. It just keeps you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Make sure to hit that bell as well, and let's dive into it. So August, big month for Cardano, big growth month. Pluto scripts grew by 0.75%. Native tokens increased by 0.85% to 10.3 million. Token policies grew by 6.53%, significant growth there to 160,000. And that's just where this begins, all right? Now 1,373 projects building on Cardano. I remember when this was actually less than 1,000. Number of token policies increased by 8,375, and the number of minted tokens increased by 110,000, okay? Pluto scripts up to 74,729 and transactions of 1.5 million. At a time where, frankly, the market's flat, not a whole lot going on, not a whole lot to be excited about. Summer months are boring. They suck. I get it. I'm here with you guys, right? That is a level of consistency that you're not seeing across most blockchains, all right? Very positive sign for the future. Now, there are some things that may, in fact, be catalysts for ADA price that this article gets into here. Bullish divergence, all right? We've talked about the bullish divergence before. We've talked about this taking place on the ADA BTC chart, and it's still playing out, right? And we're kind of mid-reversal right now, which, excuse me, I'll get to in just a moment in the charts, but Dan Gambardella has highlighted this again, signifying that last time this happened back in 2020, ADA rallied by over 1,000% versus BTC. And we may be at this moment where ADA is getting to run hard versus Bitcoin. Remember, alt season is that time where assets begin to take off. And right now, whether we're looking at, the ADA chart or the BTC chart, we're looking, or the ADA BTC chart, right? It looks like we're setting up some we're preparing for a very significant dominance run here. We came up, we tested our 100-day moving average. In fact, we did get rejected here, but we set a little bit higher high. So this reversal is kind of in full swing. Remember, this is our, I don't know what a nine tuple would be, but we'll say octuple bottom. All right. We've tested this bottom tons of times, and we're showing a lot of resilience here. Now I'll get to the ADA chart in just a moment here, but what we're also seeing is this preparation for rate cuts. Okay. ADA price is on the move. It's doing well. It's doing well versus BTC, like we saw in the ADA BTC chart. And in fact, it looks like we might be setting up a massive W correction here, a double bottom, which I'll get to in a moment as well. But we're kind of waiting for this time where policy is going to allow people to more freely spend their money. All right. It may not be huge. It may not be what we saw, back in March or anything like that. Maybe it is. Right now, I would say this. There is some money that's sitting on the sidelines that has not re-entered the crypto space yet. USDT dominance is still very high, meaning that when money starts to see confidence again, it re-enters the market, we're going to go on a run. All right. Now, what this also does reference is snek.fun. I've seen a couple people talk about this. This is a dApp that was built on Cardano. This is now live. And what they're suggesting is that maybe we see the ADA ecosystem run similar to what we saw Solana run back in January of 2023. That actually led to a 140% increase in the price of Solana. This wasn't the only thing, because if you guys remember, at that time, we saw a few things taking place. We saw institutional money getting into crypto, buying up BTC. It caused basically all assets to start going on runs. If you guys remember ADA, even during that time, earlier part of the year, we went on our big run up towards 81 cents as well. All right. Now, could this be something that triggers more activity in the ecosystem? Absolutely. Anything that is built and developed on Cardano that tries to bring a traction to it, I am all for that. That is a very good thing. I'm loving, again, how active the community is. Now, when we look at the charts here, guys, ADA is in the process, again, of setting up this double bottom right here, right? This massive W formation. All right, and I put that leg too high, but basically our point that we're trying to get to now is we need to breach this 40-cent level. That's very important. And the great thing about this, guys, is this is all playing out while BTC is doing the exact same thing, forming its double bottom here, right? Forming this W, all right? that is where we're targeting right now. BTC is going to target right about 64.5, and frankly, it's this downtrend that we've been in, guys, is just above here. It's basically 65.5. If BTC can get going, whether it be now, whether it be the end of September, start of October, whatever it may be, this is that catalyst for, again, where ADA can begin to take off, where we gain major dominance versus BTC. And frankly, this is about that time where we see that alt season trigger. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. And maybe a lot of you guys are seeing the same thing in the charts. Maybe you're seeing something different. There is always the potential that this could turn into a sell the news event come the CPI report tomorrow or the FOMC meeting or something like that. But be prepared. The market is going to change very drastically in the near term. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Again, if you guys haven't already, check out my referral link for Margex in the description below. Again, you can earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. There's no KYC. There is the major Caspa airdrop going on right now, $500,000 airdrop. So make sure to participate so you can earn your portion of that. But have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.